Hey everyone, Simon here. In my previous video, I showed how to burn an audio CD on Windows 11, but after reading through some of the comments on the video, I was informed that I was using Windows Media Player Legacy. So in this video, I'm going to show you another way to burn a proper audio CD without using Windows Media Player Legacy. Before we start, make sure you have either an internal or external CD or DVD burner connected to your computer. You can pick up an external USB drive for around $20 to $30. You'll also need a blank CDR or CDRW disc. Here's the difference. A CDR can only be recorded once. Once you've burned your songs, they're permanent. A CDRW, on the other hand, stands for rewritable, which means you can erase and reuse it multiple times. For most people, a CDR works best for creating standard music CDs that play in cars and home players. This time, we'll be using a free program called CDBurnerXP. Go ahead and download and install the software to your computer. Now, insert your blank CDR or CDRW into the disk drive. Once you have installed it, open CDBurnerXP and you'll see this screen here. Make sure you select Audio Disk. This part matters. If you choose Data Disk instead, the CD probably won't play in a car or older CD player. Make sure you select your DVD burner. Now just drag your music files into the window. At the bottom, you'll see the total disk time. Most audio CDs max out at around 80 minutes, so keep that in mind. You can also rearrange the tracks by dragging them up or down. Whatever order they're in here is the order they'll play on the CD. Then click on Burn Disk. A new window will appear. Go ahead and select your burn speed. I usually recommend using a slower burn speed. It just tends to work better, especially for car stereos. I chose to use 8x. You can also add pauses between songs or tweak a few things. Also make sure the disc is finalized so it plays on other devices. Then click Burn. You'll see the progress as it burns. When it's done, you'll have a fully playable audio CD ready for your car or home stereo. And that's it. That's how you burn an audio CD on Windows 11 using CDBurnerXP. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out my other videos.